All right, the next video, or the next problem, okay, number 26, and it actually gives us, it sort of inverts the process. So it says find the vertices and the foci for the given ellipse. Okay, and they give us x squared plus y squared over 4 equals 1. Okay, so when I write this as x squared plus y squared over 4 equals 1, I'm going to rewrite that because it's going to make more sense just to write it as x squared over 1 squared plus y squared over 2 squared equals 1. It's mathematically equivalent, but it tells me more. Okay, so when I draw this thing, okay, I know that it's going to go left and right. It's going to go 1. Up, down, it's going to go 2. Okay, so if I try to draw this thing, it's going to go like so. Oh, that's one of the better ones. Okay, now we've got to find the foci. Remember, the foci, that's given by a squared equals b squared plus c squared, where a is the larger of these two numbers and b is the smaller of those two numbers. So in this case, okay, our c is given by 4, that's 2 squared, equals 1, that's 1 squared, plus c squared. So c equals plus or minus square root of 3. Now, here's the question. Which axis does it go on? That's right, it's on the y-axis. Okay, so it's right about here, right about here. Okay, so that means that our foci are going to be at 0 plus or minus root 3. Okay. All right, do another one similar. Number 36. Same instructions. So they're going to give us, or they give us 4x squared plus 25y squared equals 100. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this 100, I don't like that 100. Okay, if I go back to my form of an ellipse, I always had a 1 over here. So let's make it so. Okay, how am I going to do that? I'm going to divide the whole equation by 100. Okay, so this is equivalent to taking x squared over 25 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. Okay, just remember, like when I take 4 over 100, that's 1 over 25. 25 over 100, that's 1 over 4. That's how I get these numbers. Okay, so now we can start drawing. Okay, how does it spread left, right? It spreads left, right, 5. Okay, so go 5 to the left, 5 to the right. How does it spread up, down? 4 is 2 squared, so 2 up, 2 down. Okay, so I know it's going to look sorry about that, like so. Try that again. Okay. All right. Now we need to find our foci. Okay. So by the way, I should have said what the vertices were. So the vertices, remember, are the points on the larger axis. Okay, so I needed to find the vertices on that last one, which I didn't. Let me write those down. Sorry about that. Okay, vertices on the last one. So those are these 2 points. So 0 plus or minus 2. Okay. Sorry, back to this one. So where are our vertices? Again, our vertices are on the longer axes. So here our vertices are at 0. Sorry. Plus or minus 5, 0. Okay. Whereas our foci, well, we need to find those. Again, we're going to use the same exact equation. A squared equals B squared plus C squared. Our A is the longest side, or the larger of the two between these, between 5 and 2. Our B here is 2, so that's 4, plus C squared. So C is the square root of 21, plus or minus. Okay, square root of 21 is like 4.5 maybe. Let's see, 4.6, 4.58. So our C's are going to be like right about here. Okay. All right, I'll see you all in the next video.